Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I cut my twins' hair the easiest and fastest way I know. Let's begin. We will be using a clipper which I bought at Costco. This is how it looks like. For this hairstyle, I use the number 1 and number 8 guard. This is Jude, and the first thing I'm going to do is tie the hair in the center all the way to the crown of the head. This makes the cutting easier and precise. If you ever wonder why he's not wearing a cape, it's because both of my twins are not comfortable with it, so I just take them off to avoid crying. Having said that, as you can see, Jude is a bit scared of the clipper, so my trick here is to let him touch it while it's on and kinda explain what I'm gonna do, and it works. Going back, I like to start on the side using the number 1. Then I just glide it as gentle as possible. If you notice, guys, my hand flips away from the head to minimize the hair that would fall on them and also to make sure it will blend nicely. So I just continue gliding the clipper starting to this side. To the back. And to the other side using the same guard, which is number 1. Make sure to lightly bend the ears so you can get all the hair behind it. When done, I always double check to make sure everything is even, and before moving to the top part, I like to clear away the hair first to avoid irritation from the tiny hairs. So from number 1, I'm changing it to number 8 for the top part. Remember, the higher the number of the guard, the longer the hair. And also, if you notice, guys, I changed the way I'm holding the clipper for better grip, and it's actually easier to slide from front to the crown this way. Just like that, folks, we are done. Super basic, easy, and fast haircut for toddler boys. Now this is Bren, and I am basically just going to repeat the procedure I did to Jude, which is tying the hair first to the center, then making him comfortable with the clipper. Make it fun. Again, starting to the side, all the way to the other side of the head. Just go over as many times as you have to, guys, to make sure all is even and blended. By the way, I'm not a pro. Definitely, I have no experience cutting a hair prior. I just taught myself to save money. Yeah, boys' hair needs frequent cutting, and I have 3, so can you imagine how much I'll spend in a year for a haircut? A lot. So my advice to the moms out there who's watching this, cutting hair is not something you have to be afraid of, because it grows back anyway. And besides, if you messed up really bad, you can always get it retouched by an expert. So just go ahead and try it. It will save you a lot of money for sure. We are done, guys! Yay! I hope you find this helpful, and if so, please leave a comment or hit the like button and subscribe! Thanks for watching! Bye!